Hi guys. Yes, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. So let us start session. Yes, still if anyone unable to hear me, yes, please rejoin the session. Rejoin the session. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin the session. Yes, still anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin the session. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin the session. Yeah, let us start session. Today, second day. Yes, today we'll start actual classes. Starting actual classes. Starting actual classes. See yesterday. Let us review yesterday's class here. Yes, yesterday. Yes, your batch 9:15 AM. Yes, day one. See yesterday all that introductions discussed. Yesterday all the introductions. Nothing discussed yesterday. Yesterday nothing discussed. Just all the introduction. Just about me introduction. About course. Next about prerequisite. Learn Java. Next course contents. Next what next after finishing this course. All these introduction discussed that's here. Today starting actual classes. Today starting actual classes. See about me. Yes. Let me brief about yesterday's class. Okay, let us review yesterday's class here. About me introduction. I think this introduction is not necessary. About me. Okay, yeah. This is Nageswar Rao, having 23 years of experience. My most of the experience Java Big Data Hadoop. Okay. Yes, current working company. Yes. Yes, Silotech Private Limited. This is my batch means ID. Role is solution architect. Totally completed 18 projects. Yes, 18 projects. Yes, my engineering 93 to 97. 97 started my job. Yes, out of 18 projects, 2 projects on embedded C. Next 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Hadoop. Now current 19th project is a current project. 19th project, current project. Client Volkswagen. Okay. Yeah, that's all about me. Okay. Lot of experience. Very good experience. Yes, in teaching also, I have very good experience. Next about your course Java. Yes, duration 3 months. Sessions 75 to 78 sessions. Monday to Saturday classes. Strictly Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday. Okay. Yes. Session duration 1 hour and 30 minutes. 90 minutes duration here. Time 9:15 to 10:45 AM. So this is the class time. Okay. Yes. Demo classes, 3 demo classes. Yes, here actual classes today starting. Actual class also you can attend for 3 days. You can see for 3 days. Actual classes free of cost. You can attend for 3 days, no issue. Yes, after finishing course, certificate also provided. Course fees 5,000. Okay. Next daily recording share to your Gmail ID. Daily recordings will be sharing. Daily recordings sharing to your Gmail ID. See validity for 1 year. Okay. Yes. See here you can watch anytime here. Yes, for you guys, recordings plus class document and JDK software and Eclipse. So this is about our course details. Yes, next, what is prerequisite? Nothing required. Prerequisite to learn Java, nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand it. Yes, I'll be starting with basics, taking to high end. Taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, you'll be in a position to put up minimum 3 to 4 years. By the time of finishing course. Okay, that's all about these things here. About course contents, yes, in today's topic, I'll cover about course contents. Yes, in today's topic, getting again about course your syllabus. About your syllabus, today getting again. Today getting again. Today will be getting again. Okay, yes. Yes, let us, yes, today is second day. Let us start actual classes. Starting actual classes. Okay. See Java. Java. Yes, let us start about Java. Yes, in this first question here, question is what is Java? Anyone idea? Yes, anyone can you answer this? Of course, I'll explain. Of course, I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java? Anyone can you answer this? What is Java? What is Java? Yes, your idea about Java. What is Java? Yes, Aniket, good. Aniket Yadav, Whoop language, good. Yes, next. Any others? See, my classes are interactive classes. Interactive and friendly classes. Interactive and friendly classes. See, even you, yes, even you saying wrong, no worry. It's an online class. No one can see you. Need not feel shy. You need not to feel shy. So whatever you have the idea, just you share it. That's it. Okay. Even I don't mind about your answer. Okay, I don't mind about your answer here. Okay. Yes, whatever you want, you share it. Okay, if he's saying wrong, I will correct it. If he's saying wrong, correct it. Yes, just be active in the class. Just active in the class. Okay, just active in the class. So Aniket, yes, OOP language. Yes, language to communicate with computers. Next, anyone? Any others? Okay. Yeah. Fine. Let me explain. So what is Java? Simple answer. What is Java means? Simple answer. Java is an OOP language. Object-oriented programming language. Simple answer. What is Java means? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Very simple answer. Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Yes, OOP stands for, yes, OOP stands for, yes, objects oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. So Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. What is OOP here? OOP stands for object oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Okay, what is Java means? Simple answer. It's a OOP language. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Okay, fine. See Java software, JDK. JDK is a Java software. JDK, Java, yes, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Okay, JDK is from the Sun software. JDK, this is from the Sun software. This is from the Sun software. Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Yes, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay, JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Okay, JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes. See, JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. Yes, first version of Java. First version of Java. JDK 1.0 is the first version of Java released 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 in the year 1995. Yes, JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1990. JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. See, 1995. Can you recollect year 1995? Yes, what you are doing 1995? I think before your birth. 1995 before your birth, right? Am I correct? 1995? Yes, not born. Okay. Before your birth. 1995 before your birth. I think for everyone before your birth, right? So 1995. Yes, sir. 1995, what I was doing. In 1995, what I was doing here. Yes, I was in engineering. I was in engineering second year. I was in engineering second year. Yes, I was in engineering second year. Okay, engineering second year. Yes, see, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. JNTU Hyderabad. JNTU Hyderabad. 1 second. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, we have the group still. Yes, we have the group. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, we have the WhatsApp group for all our old students. So we used to attend some meetings frequently. Okay. Yes, sharing different kind of things. Yes. So 1995, I was in engineering second year, computer science engineering, JNTU Hyderabad. JNTU Hyderabad. Yeah, this is okay. Yes, JNTU. Yeah, this is our group, JNT group. All our old students, JNT students. All are our old students. Okay, JNT students. Yes. Computer science engineering, see JNTU has JNTH. H means Hyderabad. H means Hyderabad. Okay. Yes. So 1995, yes, that time, yes, second year I was learning C language. See here, 1995, that period getting engineering is very great. It's not easy. Yes, engineering, computer science engineering. Yes, CSE only. Yes, 360 seats that time we have. Yes, 9 colleges. 9 colleges. APNTS. APNTS. That time United Andhra Pradesh. United Andhra Pradesh. APNTS only 9 colleges, 9 into 40 seats, 360 seats. Computer science engineering, 360 seats. Yes, general quota. I'm a OC. I don't have any reservation. Yes, open category. I got the seat in open category. Yes, open category seat. Now, can you guess it? My MSET rank now? Yeah, 360 seats, open category seat. For open category, generally 180 seats. 180 seats for open category. Now, can you guess it? My MSET rank. Anyone can you guess it? Based on this, Aniket, your logic good. Yes, open category 180 seats. So under 180, below 180. Yes, your logic is okay, fine. Yes. Yes, anyone can guess it. My MSET rank. No one guessing. Below 50, no. Not that much. Below 15. Yes. 125 my MSET rank. So 125 got it. MSET rank. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, in JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, I got yes last but one seat. Last but one, and that means one more seat is there. After me, one more guy is there. One more seat is there. Almost last seat I got it. Last but one, I got it. Luckily, otherwise I should have joined other college. So JNTU Hyderabad, luckily got it last but one seat. Yes. So because yes, see because of this career, I got the job immediately. Yes, because of this career only here. Yes, I got the job immediately. Yes, 1997 completed engineering. Yes, same without even one day gap. I got the job without single day gap here. If finally itself I got the job. Campus selection. Campus selection. Joined with Motorola. Yeah, that history yesterday explained here. Joined with Motorola. Okay. So fine. See here, engineering second year. That time I was learning C language. I was learning C language. C language. Just 90 in second year we have the C language. I was learning C language. Okay. So before Java releasing the market here, already I was in software field. Already my software career started. Okay. Yes. I know the birth of Java. I worked with every version of Java. Every version of Java I worked. See 1993 to 1997. Yes, engineering completed. Yes, immediately 1997 to yes 2000 year. Yes, embedded C worked. Yes, embedded C. Yes, embedded C worked on embedded C. First initially embedded. That time embedded C most popular. Embedded C. Next 2000 year middle started. Yes, Java career. Yes, Java and Hadoop. Okay, 2000 year to till date. Java Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop career 2013 started Hadoop career. That Hadoop career. 2013 Hadoop career. Hadoop career. Okay, fine. Yes, 1995 what was happening? Yes, in my life like this. Okay, fine. Yes, just I was engineering second year, just learning C language. So every version of Java I worked. Yes, 2000 years started working on Java. So every version of almost every version of Java I worked. Since 20 years traveling with Java. Since 20 years I'm traveling with Java. Okay, okay, fine. JDK 1.0 it's a first version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995. See JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 released with yes released with main features as below. Main features as below. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 first version of Java. So JDK 1.0 released with main features as well. So what are the main features of Java here? Yes, main features of Java. Yes, independent of platform. Yes, independent. Independent of platform. Independent of platform. Independent of platform. Independent of platform. Yes, next. Portability. Yes, portability. 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 Next, Java is an object-oriented programming language. So with object groups features, yes, it was listed. Yes, in the first version of Java, these are the main features of Java. First version of Java released with these features: independent of platform, portability. Next, oops, language features here. Oops, features. Yes, next, scalability, scalability, scalability. Next, security. Yes, with these features released. So JDK 1.0 released with these features like this. These are all the features. Yes, we'll discuss. What is independent platform? What is portability? What is loop language, scalability, and security? These features we'll discuss one by one. Okay. So okay, fine. The JDK 1.0. So next is JDK 1.1. So JDK 1.1. Yes, in year 1996. Next year JDK 1.1. Okay, JDK 1.1 in the year 1996. See JDK 1.1. So JDK 1.1 divided. JDK 1.1 divided into yes 3 editions. 3 editions. So initially Java with only 3 editions. Later added 4th edition. So initially only 3 editions. Initial release only 3 editions. Later 4th edition added here. JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. Sunsoft. They have divided JDK 1.1 into 3 editions. 3 editions. First one, yes. First one, JSE. Yes, called as JTSE. JTSE. JTSE means Java Standardization. Java Standard. Java Standard. Java Standard. Java Standard Edition. Java Standardization. Java Standardization. Okay, yes. Why 2 is added? Yeah. I'll tell you. Why 2 SE? Yes, I'll tell you. I'll explain. JSE Java 2 SE. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes, Java Standardization. Yes, Enterpriseization. Java Enterpriseization. Okay, next one is Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, why to add a reason is here. Second version of Java this is. In second version, divided into 3 editions. Second version, that's the reason 2 added. In second version it was yes added. That's the reason yes 2 added like this. So Java SE, Java Standardization, next Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise Edition here. Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Java Standardization, Enterprise Edition. Yes. Next. ME. Yes. Mobile Edition. Yes. ME. JTME. Java Mobile Edition. Java Mobile. Java Mobile Edition. Java Mobile Edition. These 3 editions. In JDK 1.1, Java divided into 3 editions like this. Java Standardization, Standardization, Enterprise Edition, and Mobile Edition. Fine. Next after that, yes, JDK, yes, 1.2. Next JDK, yes, 1.3. Next 1.4. 1.4. Next 1.5 released. Next 1.6 released here. 1.7 released. Next 1.8 released. Yes, that version wise features we'll discuss next. 1.8 calling it Java 8. Java 8. Java 8. Java 9. Yes, Java 11 released here. After it, Java 13. So latest version in the market is Java 13. Java 16 also there, but not officially released. Just it's there in site. In Oracle site it's available. In Oracle site Java 16 available, but not official, that is. But not official. Okay. Up to 13 officially available. Up to 13 officially available. Okay. Yes, industry using Java 8. Maximum industry using Java 8. Okay, Java 9. Some companies using Java 9 also. See, in our company, in our office, we are using Java 9. In our projects, we are using Java, not Java 8. We are using Java 9. Yes, there is special focus on 8 and 9 features. Yes, our syllabus is complete. Yes, our classes with Java 8 and 9 explaining. Java 8 and 9. I'm using 8 and 9 both here. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. I'm using Java 8, Java 9. So both I'm using here. So finally, at the end of the course, yes, I'll set up 11 and 13. Yes, I'll explain 11 and 13 also. 11 and 13 at the end. Final topic. Okay. Yes. So daily topics are 8 and 9 features. With 8 and 9 working. 8 and 9 working your daily classes. Okay. Final topic is 11 and 13. Fine. Out of all these versions here, JDK 1.5. Yes, very important version. This is JDK 1.5. Yes, this 1.5. Yes, major changes were done here. Major changes were done here. In this version here, major changes were done here. Yes, many features were added. In JDK 1.5. Yes, many features. Yes, many features were added here. Many features were added. Many features were added here. Okay, many features were added. In JDK 1.5. Yes, major changes were done here. Yes, here major changes were done. Many features were added in this here. Even fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. See, fourth edition. Fourth edition. Fourth edition. Yes, Java effects here. JFX. Java effects. Fourth edition. Java effects. Java effects also added in this version here. Java effects. Fourth edition. Fourth edition JFX. Java effects. The fourth edition Java effects. Java effects also added, yes, in this version. Also added in this version here. In this version. In this version. So major changes done here. Okay. Yes. After JDK 1.5, yes, fourth edition also added here. Okay. So finally here, yes, finally, yes, Java divided to four editions here. Java divided into four editions. Four editions here. Four editions. Finally, Java divided into four editions. Four editions. Four editions. Four editions here. Java, finally, Java divided into four editions. First one, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, next Mobile Edition, next FX. Java effects here. Here JFX. JFX. Here this is not calling a JTFX. Don't think JTFX because not in second version that is. Okay, not in second version. That is in fifth version. Java effects here. Java effects. Java effects. Java effects. Java effects. Okay, Java JFX means Java effects. So finally, Java divided into four editions. These are the four editions. These are the four editions of Java. Okay, fine. Yes, with the JDK, 1.5, yes, Java got the success. Java got the success in the market. Java got the success in the market here. Java got the success in the market. Java got the success. So with JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Yes, then how many years it was taken to become success here? JDK 1.5, 1 second. Yes, JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, released in the year 2004. Released in the year 2004. JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5 released in the 2004. Yes, JDK 1.5 major changes were done. Many features were added. Yes, even fourth edition also added. Fourth edition FX also added in this one here. So with JDK 1.5, Java got the success. So how many years it was taken here? See, 2004 released. JDK 1.5 is a 2004. Yes, how many years? 1995 released first version. Yes, to become success, how many years? Almost 10 years. Yes, it was taken almost 10 years. Java to become success for 10 years. See, 10 years. Suppose you guys working for 10 years in any field, getting success automatic. 10 years is not a small period, lengthy period. 10 years of experience means very good experience, highly, yes, experience here. Okay, just choose one field and work for 10 years. Yes, you'll become expert. Suppose at the age of 21 years, after finishing engineering, immediately getting job. At the age of 21 years, getting job. Yes, by the age of 30 years. Okay. Yes, 30 years old. By 30 years old here, yes, getting success in your life. Yes, 21 years job. By 30 years, getting success. Highly success getting 10 years life. Okay. Yes, before starting that career, choose the best field. Choose the best field. Okay, choose the best field here. Choose the trending field. Trending field and long lasting career. Trending and long lasting field. That you have to choose it. First, before starting only. Yes, before initially only here. Choose the good field here. Trending field as well long lasting career. Choose that evergreen career. Choose that field here. Then start your work. So once 10 years work here, you get the success automatically here. Fine. Okay. Yes. Next, one more, consistency is very, very important. Yes, 10 years consistency working on the same field. Yes, some guy frequently changing fields. Yes, first started some field here, after 6 months changing field, next after 1 year changing field, again changing field, like that. Yes, inconsistency. Yes, inconsistency. Yes, you cannot lead good life. Consistency is very important. Stability. Stability is important. Stability is important here. Don't change decisions frequently. Frequently changing decisions is not correct. Okay. Yes, that will affect your life. Okay. So, okay, fine. With JDK 1.5, Java got the success. So it was taken for 10 years, almost 10 years. 10 years. Okay. Now, what are these different editions? Let us see. Yes. Java standardization. Java standardization. Java standardization. Yes, it's a Java technology. 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 Okay, so this is our course. Just you guys learning Java technology. Okay, Java standardization. What are the coordinates of this one? Yes, I'll explain. Yes, today newcomers. For newcomers, I'll explain your syllabus now. Yes, this is our syllabus. Java standardization. Yes, our course is this one here. What are the course coordinates? I'll explain now. Wait, I'll explain. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition, this is next level. It's a frameworks. Yes, this is application development apps. Yes, apps development part here. Apps development. It's application development part. It's a app development. Application development. You see all the frameworks. See all the frameworks. All the frameworks. Yes, comes in this category. What is framework? We'll discuss. Wait. What is framework? I'll explain. Yes. Let me clear one by one. After finishing all that, we'll go to that what is framework. I'll explain. Yes, next mobilization. Next is mobilization. So this is for mobile apps. Mobile apps. This is for mobile apps. Here this area Java core. Java core. Okay. Yes, for this best software Android. Industry using Android software. Android software. So Android is a leader in this area. No doubt. Android is a leader in mobile app development here. Android is a leader. Android is a leader. So in this area, Java is not fit. Poor in this area, Java. Next, Java, yes, effects. Java effects. This is for visual effects. Java effects using for visual effects. Visual effects like movies. Visual effects. Yes, in videos. Videos, right? Maybe movies or short films. Maybe your functions, events, videos. In that visual effects. Visual effects. See, this area also Java core. In this area also Java core. For this we have the tools. Tools like Premiere tool. Yes, Premiere. Premiere software available for this. Premiere software from the Adobe. Adobe company. From the Adobe company, Adobe Premiere is available here. Next, Maya software available here. Maya software. Maya varies of old software. Still using. Latest is Premiere software. Premiere software for visual effects. Okay, this area Java 4. Yes, now Java. In which area Java using here? Yes. See, enterprise application development in this area, Java is leader. See, in the market, 90% of applications are enterprise applications. In the market, software applications, many applications are there. Yes, 90% of applications are enterprise applications. For all that using Java, 90% of all the internet-based applications were developed in Java. Yes, that also we'll discuss. First, let us see. Yes, we'll discuss about these two things now. These two editions here. Java standardization. This is our syllabus. Java standardization. This is our syllabus. Java standardization. This is our syllabus. So what is our syllabus? 1 second. Yesterday I have typed same thing. Let me copy and paste that. Yes. Yes, again typing today, wasting of time. Yesterday. Yes, that same thing typed here. Yes. This is yes. Java standardization. This is our syllabus. So this is hot syllabus course contents. See, first core part of Java. In core part of Java, all the Java fundamentals like data types, operators, control statements, next Java language syntax and all this. Like a C language concepts here. Yes, control statements like if statements, switch case, while loop, do while loop and for loop, these things here. Yes, in this area, we'll be discussing around 100 programs. Yes, 100 programs. Logic-based programming, this is. Logic-based programming here. Yes, how to improve your programming skills here. Improving logics and programming skills. Special focus on improving logics here. Okay, special focus. Yes, here special focus on improving logics and programming skills. Yes, in this 60 programs I'll be explaining here and 40 assignments you have to work on it. Okay, yes. See, this part is 60 programs. Complete Java. Yes, complete Java 300 programs will be discussed. Complete Java 300 programs. Okay. Yes, complete Java. 1 second. Yes, complete Java around 300 programs will be discussing. See here. Yes, 1 month to focus on logic-based programming. 1 month special focus. So once you good at Java programming, once you good at programming here, yes, then starting, yes, Java Woods features. So initially 1 month programming and yes, focus on how to develop your programming skills. So once you perfect about the programming, then starting Java Woods. But actual Java concept starts here. Java Woods features, encapsulation and abstraction, all this here. Yes, next string buffer, string tokenizer, string builder like this. Object wrapper classes, except only collections. Yes, collections are very, very important. Yes, there is a special focus on collections and IST. This area is very, very important. Collections and IST, special focus in this area. Yes, combination of these two will discuss on real-time projects. Okay. Next, networking, multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading, yes, version-wise features. Up to 13th version. Version-wise features will discuss 1.0 to 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, up to 13. Version-wise features will discuss. So with that, finishing your syllabus. Okay. Yes, after core Java, then what is next? What next after core Java? If you want to be Java developer, just you have to learn a framework. Or else you can go to testing Selenium. Yes, any manual test is there. That manual testing is, yes, you can go with testing Selenium. Okay, or you can go with Hadoop development here. After finishing core Java, you can go to Hadoop and Spark. This is also hot in the market. Hadoop. Next, Salesforce also hot in the market. You can go to Salesforce. Salesforce also Java based. Next, AI, artificial intelligence. Yes, this also Java, Python, R language using. But now currently AI don't have much requirement in India. In US also don't have much requirement. That is a feature technology. Maybe after 2 years, a couple of years getting AI market. Okay. Yes, now don't have much in AI. Okay, next OAF and ADF. This also core Java based here. If you know the core Java, these things you can learn, but don't go for this. Outdated. Yes, Oracle application framework. Yes, ADF, Advanced Development Framework. Yes, ADF means Advanced Development Framework. OAF. ADF is advanced for OAF. So this is using in Oracle ERP. Yes, you don't go for that. Outdated. Next one more ServiceNow tool. Yes, this also now hot in the market. ServiceNow tool. It's a Java-based programming. So after our course, you can go to this one here. Okay. So this is about your syllabus. So this is about enterprise. Yes, this is about standardization. Yes, now let us see what is framework, what is enterpriseization. Yes, let us say about enterprise edition. Just idea about enterprise edition. Yes, Enterprise edition. It's application development. All the frameworks comes from this area. All the frameworks. See what are the Java frameworks? See Java frameworks. Yes, what's your framework? I'll explain. What's your framework? I'll explain. Java frameworks. Structure framework. Struts framework. Okay. Struts framework. Next Spring. Yes, Spring framework. Spring framework. Okay, next, third one. Yes, Hibernate. Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Yes, Hibernate framework. Next, Hadoop. Hadoop also part of Java. Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework also from the Java here. Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework also from Java. Yes, next Spark framework. Spark framework. These also from the Java. Spark framework. Spark framework. Yes, next latest frameworks. Yes, Spring Boot and microservices. Microservices. Latest one. Yeah, this is Spring Boot and microservice advanced version of Spring. Advanced version for this. Okay, fine. See, structure framework almost outdated. No one using the market here. This is outdated. Old framework outdated. This is. It's not in use. Now Spring and Hibernate framework. Yes. See, Spring and Hibernate framework. Spring and Hibernate framework. Yes. So these for yes, all the enterprise applications means internet-based applications. These frameworks. See these frameworks are to develop internet-based applications, internet-based apps like online shopping applications, go to training, go to meeting, next food delivery apps, next banking applications. Okay, different kind of applications. Many applications using market here. All these internet-based applications were developed in Java. Okay, see exactly what is framework here. Framework. What is exactly framework? What is exactly framework? Let us see what is exactly framework. 1 second. Yes, what is exactly framework? See here, framework is a yes. Framework is ready-made one. Is ready-made one. Ready-made one. Yes, it contains all the predefined classes. It contains all the predefined classes. All the predefined classes. Predefined classes. Okay. See here, with frameworks, coding is not necessary. With framework, much coding is not necessary. See here, for example, here, database code. For example, database code. So with Java application connect to database. Java app connect to database, reading data from database and data processing. So all this database code. Okay, database code. That codes around 50 to 60 lines of code required. 50 to 60 lines of code, database code, 50 to 60 lines of code required. But using Hibernate, we can avoid that code. Hibernate is a Hibernate is a predefined code. Hibernate is a predefined database code. Predefined database code. Yes, Hibernate is having some classes, predefined classes. Okay, take that predefined classes, plug into project, you can build the projects. Yes, every part, database parts, yes, Hibernate classes available. Using Hibernate classes, just Hibernate classes build, yes, plug into your project and build the project. Predefined database code. Hibernate is a predefined database code. You can use that here. You can use that. So using this Hibernate, you can connect database. So need not write these 50 to 60 lines of codes. Like database codes, every area the predefined code is available. Every area. Suppose log files. For log files also predefined code is available. To maintain log files in project, predefined code is available. So separately coding is not necessary. Okay, log files. Separately coding is not necessary. Okay. Suppose Java application generate emails. So that emails coding, that emails. But this is a predefined code is here. All the predefined class available here for every task. For every task predefined code is available, predefined classes available. So need not write much coding. So without writing code, you can build the application. See, advantage of frameworks. Advantage of framework. What is advantage of framework? What is advantage of framework? 1 second. Yes, to understand this one here, to understand framework, I'll tell you one example. To understand framework, I'll tell you one example here. Suppose bridges construction. For example, bridges construction. Bridges construction. Bridges construction. See old days. Yes, what they, how they connected, constructed here in old days here. Yes, first laying. Just 1 second. First raising pillars. First raising pillars. First they have raised pillars. Raising pillars. Very old days raising pillars. Okay. Next, yes, laying bridge on the pillars. On the pillars. That is old. That is old. So laying bridge on the pillars. That is old concept. Okay. Yes, that is old. Yes, nowadays. Yes, nowadays what is happening here? Nowadays what is happening here? Simply they are raising pillars. Simply raising pillars. Of raising pillars here. Yes, ready-made blocks available nowadays. Ready-made blocks available. Simply they are bringing blocks, just assembling blocks. They are assembling blocks, just assembling blocks, and the pillars touch it here. On the pillars, on the pillars. Once pillars completed, this assembling work finishing within 10 to 15 days. That assembling work finishing within 10 to 15 days only here. Raising pillars may be delay. Okay, even that also many machines and all things available here nowadays. So within 6 months they are finishing bridges nowadays. Within 6 months, because of assembling that blocks available, ready-made blocks available. Ready-made blocks available. Yes, very old days. Yes, raising pillars, laying bridges. Yes, it will take yes, old days. It was taken for 2 years, 3 years, and 10 years also. Lengthy bridge more than 10 years also. But nowadays, within 6 months they are finishing. See, last year COVID time in Hyderabad, yes, I think 5 to 6 bridges they have constructed. GHMC, 5 to 6, yes, they taken the advantage of that. Yes, yes, in COVID periods, there is a curfew. Yes, no traffic, nothing here. So they utilized that period to finish bridges. Around 5 to 6 bridges completed just within 6 months only here. Because of that, ready-made blocks available nowadays here. Framework is exact like that. Framework is exact like that. So ready-made classes for every code, already developed class available. Database coding parts, log files coding parts, emails coding parts, support socket connection coding parts. Okay, next, session maintaining here like this. There are different parts here for all these ready-made classes available. Simply we are taking all the predefined classes, just assembling it our projects. Just we are plugging into our project. Just plug in project and building project here. So you can hear advantage of framework is first point. We can reduce the code. Yes, advantage. We can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. We can reduce code. Okay. Yes. So once the code reduced here, time of development also reducing here. Time of project development. Time of project development. Yes. Time of project development. Right. Time of project development also reduced. Within short time we can finish. Within short time. See, 2017 we have developed a GST projects. We have developed Silitech Private Limited for that company, Silitech. Yes, in our company we have developed one GST product. 2017. Yes, 2017, the yes Prime Minister announced GST. Okay, Java issued for GST rate. Yes, goods and service tax. GST implementation for GST product developed just within 3 months completed. Just only 3 months. We have taken 3 months. For GST project, we have used Spring and Hibernate frameworks. GST project for the GST, yes, for this project Spring and Hibernate framework. Yeah, 3 months, 2 months development time, 1 month. Sorry, sorry. Just a minute. Yes, we can use. Yes, 2 to 3 frameworks means like Spring and Hibernate frameworks is a combination. It's a combination. This is common. Spring and Hibernate is a combination. Yes, database code part is Hibernate. Other code part is Spring. Okay, within 3 months. 2 months is development, 1 month is testing period. Testing. Within 3 months completed and release the market products. Yes, so many copies were sold out. Yes, after announcing GST immediately next day itself we have started. Okay, that product, yes, like a hot cake, it was sold. Many copies were sold. Yes, much profits for this company in this product. Okay, fine. That is yes, advantage here. We can reduce the code here. Time of project development also reduced. Time of project development, not only time of project development here, resources. Resources cost. Yes, resources. Yes, resources also reduced here. Yes, reduce. Yes, resources. Much resource not required because less code, right? Suppose if code is there, then resources required. Java resources. Much resources required here. With less number of resources, we can finish the development here. Okay, much resources, Java resources, also reduced here. So Java resources means Java resources, means Java developers. Okay, so we can reduce the resources. Okay, next here. See, suppose if you developed code, yes, your code, yes, maybe lack of experience, maybe chance of raising many bugs. Your code, lack of experience. With lack of experience, maybe generating lot of bugs in live. Lot of bugs. But predefined classes, experts, they will develop the framework. Framework developed by the experts. Their frameworks developed by the experts. Their framework developed by the experts. So if it is experts here, yes, bugs are very less. So project developed using framework classes, predefined classes here, bugs are very less. Then easy to maintain the project here. Bugs, yes, in live getting bugs here. Okay, in live at client location. At client location after delivered to client location, live starts. That is supportive. At client location, any bug raised here that we should fix. Support that supportive. So that is nothing but maintenance. Maintenance, yes, easy to maintain the project here. Yes, easy to maintain the project. Easy to maintain the project here because bugs are very less. Bugs are very less. Why bugs very less? Yes, expertise code. That frameworks developed by the expertise. There's expertise code here. No chance of generating bugs. Bugs are very rare case. So this is advantage of frameworks here. Advantage of frameworks. Okay. Yes. See here, 90% of internet-based applications were developed using yes Java frameworks. Yes, 90 now currently here 90% of yes internet-based applications, apps were developed. Yes, apps were developed in Java. 90% is yes 90% of internet-based apps like all online services, online trading, like online shopping. Suppose online shopping, next food delivery apps, next GoToMeeting, GoToTraining, these applications. Next banking application, online banking, right? That online banking. Yes, next to trading like stock exchange, stock market trading applications. Next, websites, company websites. Next, schools and colleges maintain that kind of applications, all that online applications. Okay. Yes, from your home you can operate the application. That is online. Online means yes, by sitting in your home you can operate. Means internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. These all are internet-based applications. So 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java. 90% is. Okay. Next here. See. Next here. Yes. See here by the year 2010. By the year 2010. By the year 2010 here. Yes, existing applications, existing apps. By the year 2010, existing apps. By the year 2010, by the year 2010, existing apps. Yes, 90% of existing apps. Okay, 90% of existing apps. By the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. Yeah, this is my live experience. I have seen this is migrated Java. Reason I will tell you. Okay, 10. Yes, it's my live experience. I have seen every version of Java I worked. Every version. What was happened since 1995 to today? See, before Java, but already I was in software. I started my engineering before Java release only. Before Java release only, started my engineering. So I have seen everything. What was happened in Java? See, by the year 2010, yes, 90% of existing apps are migrated to Java. Yes, existing apps. What are existing apps here? 2010, that time existing apps. Visual Basic applications, VC++ applications, next .NET applications, .NET apps. Okay, .NET apps. Okay, next C and C++ applications, C and C++ apps. Okay, next yes, SAP and Oracle ERP, Oracle ERP, Oracle ERP apps. These are yes by the year 2010. That time we have these are the apps in the market. Visual Basic apps available, VC++ apps, .NET apps, C and C++ apps, SAP and ERP. So 90% of these apps were migrated to Java. What's the reason? Why? What's the reason? Why all these applications 90% is migrated to Java? What's the reason for this? See this. These apps. Yes, Visual Basic, VC++, .NET. These apps are from the Microsoft. From the Microsoft. From the Microsoft. Microsoft technologies. These are from the Microsoft. From the Microsoft. From the Microsoft. See, all Microsoft technologies are Windows based. Windows based, OS dependent, platform dependent. These apps are Windows based. These apps are Windows based. Windows OS based. Windows OS based here. So Windows OS based. These will not work with other operations. It's a OS dependent. Windows based. Windows based. See, Windows OS. What is disadvantage with Windows OS here? Yes, anyone idea? Windows OS disadvantage. What is disadvantage with Windows OS? What is disadvantage with Windows OS? Disadvantage. Windows OS is not a Windows OS is not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Yes, here Windows virus is frequently infecting virus and data hacking. Data hacking happens with Windows OS. Happens with Windows. Happens with Windows here. That happens. Virus and data hacking happens in this OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Windows is not secure OS. Then which is secure OS here? Linux. Linux is more secure OS. More secure OS. Linux is more secure OS. Linux is more secure OS. Linux is more secure. Yes, no chance of virus and data hacking. Yes, Linux. Yes, no chance. No chance of virus. Linux is a virus-free operating system. No virus. No data hacking. No data happening here. No data hacking. Okay. So no chance of virus and data hacking with Linux base. Linux are what? Secure OS. Yes, Linux. See 2010. Yes, by the time of 2010 here, Linux is a leader. Yes, by the year 2010 here. By the year, yes, 2010. Yes, 2010. Linux was a leader. In OS, in operating system, yes, Linux was a leader. That time only here. Yes, Linux released. See, Linux released. Linux released in the year 2000. First version of Linux base. Sorry, not 2000, 1999. Apache Linux. Yes, Linux released in the year 1999. 1999. Linux released in the year 1999. Yes, Linux area also have very good experience, like Red Hat Linux base. Presently I'm using Red Hat Linux for the Hadoop projects. Very good experience. Linux released in the year 1999. Yes, by the year 2010, Linux, yes, it was a leader. Okay, in operating system, Linux was the leader. Okay, so that time care, yes, Windows is not a secure. Since Windows is not a secure OS, most of the clients, yes, most of the clients that time they were thinking about Linux base. Then their applications have to migrate to Linux base. These applications, yes, they are Windows based. How they can migrate? No, these applications cannot run on Linux base. Okay, so these applications cannot run on Linux base. So for that reason, most of the clients they have taken decision to change to Java. Java is independent of OS. Java working on any OS here. Java is independent of platform. Linux, Unix, Windows independent of platform. Yes, because of Java is independent of platform. These clients, Microsoft clients, almost all Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. That's the reason why these clients were migrated to Java. Next one, yes, C and C++. When come to C and C++, yes, C and C++, disadvantage here. Yes, GA facility not available. GA programming is not available. GA programming in C and C++, GA programming means user-friendly application cannot develop here. User-friendly. GA. Yeah, this is GA. So this is user-friendly. That form, that registration form, right? That registration form. So this form, it's a GA. It's a GA registration form. This type of forms you cannot develop in C and C++. In C and C++, you cannot develop. Okay, this type of forms. Okay. Yes. So GA facility available. Yes, in Java. Yes, user friendly. GA software you can develop here. So that's the reason. Yes, for user friendly application development purpose, C and C++ apps also migrate to Java. Okay. So migrate the GA programming is not available. So because of that GA graphical interface, that interface not available. Yes, because of that reason, yeah, these applications that existing C and C++ migrated to Java. That's the reason here. Okay. Yes. Next here, SAP and Oracle ERP. Yes, why these applications also migrated to Java here? SAP and Oracle ERP. SAP and Oracle ERP. They are costly. Yes. Licensing costly. Licensing is costly here. Okay. Yes, ERP application licensing is very costly. Costly here. Crores of rupees companies have to spend. Okay, same ERP solutions we can achieve with Java. With Java features here. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, with Enterprise Edition, with Java Enterprise Edition means using frameworks, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Using this framework here, yes, enterprise solutions, ERP solutions, ERP. Yes, ERP means total company management. ERP solution means total company. Total company means, yes, in company here, like purchasing raw material, that material storing in godowns, maintaining warehouse and godowns, next production, next manufacturing, Next, yes, quality control testing here. Quality control, yes, that material testing here. Quality control. Next, assembling. Next, marketing department, accounting department, shipping department, all the various managing various departments. That is nothing but ERP. ERP application means managing all the activities of entire company. That is ERP. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise means very big one. Enterprise resource planning. That application managing all activities of complete company. Entire company is ERP. Entire company. Yes, in company many departments. One second. In a company many departments. Let me show that also. Yes, Hadoop material in that. See, company, if it is a company, yeah, this is Hadoop document. See, this is company business life cycle. In a company, see, purchasing raw material. That raw material go to stores or warehouses, raw material manufacturing, then production, after production, quality control. Next, estimating cost of item here. Okay, next, after quality control check, then assembling, then finished or semi-finished goods here. So next, from this shipping department, next estimating cost of item here, next marketing, sales and customers management here, receiving, yes, receiving amount from the customers, accounts, payments, accounts, see human resources, employee payrolls, yes, recruiting employees, bank transactions, company asset. This is complete company. Yes, business, very big enterprise. Enterprise means large scale company is called as enterprise. Enterprise means large scale company. Yes, so maintaining this much of activities, all these departments. Yes, Java enterprise edition we can use. That is JTE capability here. Yes, JTE. Yes, Java enterprise edition. Yes, this enterprise edition it can manage. It can manage. Yes, using this enterprise editions, using these frameworks here, we can develop a application which can manage all this here. Using Java frameworks, we can develop an application which can manage all the activities of all the departments, all the activities of all departments. That's ERP solution. ERP solutions. So ERP solutions also we can achieve from Java here. ERP solutions. Okay. Yes, Java is a freeware. See, SAP Oracle ERP has licensing costly crores of rupees client has to spend here. But Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Java is not a open source, just it's a freeware. Java is a freeware, not a open source. Open source is different, freeware is different here. Freeware means free of cost available, you can use that. Open source means including source code. See, Java developed, JVM developed in C++. Suppose if you're able to get the C++ code also, that is open source. No, just freeware. Suppose Linux is a open, for example, Linux is a open source. Linux is an open source. That means here, Linux is an open source. That means here, Linux developed in C language. Linux developed in C language. All that backend C programs you can download. You can download, you can modify. That is open source. So source code is open to us. If source code is open to us, that is called as open source. Linux is open source. So in Linux developed in C language, all these C programs you can download, including source code. Next, one more thing, Hadoop. Hadoop is also open source. Hadoop is an open source. Hadoop is an open source. Open source. Hadoop is an open source. Hadoop is an open source. Hadoop developed in Java. Hadoop developed in Java. Hadoop developed in Java. Yes, all that Java programs you can download it. Hadoop developed in Java. Okay. Hadoop developed in Java here. Yes, all that. Yes, all the Java programs you can download. All the Java programs you can download here. So all the all that. Yes, Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop is open source. Yes, all this. Yes, all that. Yes, Java programs. Hadoop developed in Java. Yes, all that Java programs you can download, you can see, and you can modify. That is open source. Yes, if you're able to see the source codes and able to modify, that is called as open source. Java just is a freeware, means free of cost you can use, but its source code cannot see how Java was developed, how Java was developed, how JVM was developed. That code you cannot see. That code you cannot see here. That code you cannot see. It's a freeware, free of cost you can use. That is freeware open source difference. Freeware open source difference. Okay. Now here this is SAP and ERP licensing costly. So because of costly, yes, most of the clients migrate Java. Java provides ERP solutions. ERP solutions. Yes, now our project, our 19 projects. Yes, you see ERP projects. ERP projects. ERP project we are developing. ERP project for Volkswagen company. Yes, Volkswagen company. Volkswagen. Yes, it's a cars manufacturer, famous for cars, right? Volkswagen company here. Volkswagen company. Yes, it's a manufacturing industry. For that industry here, same that Volkswagen company having all this. Purchasing raw material, maintaining stores, yes, raw material manufacturing, production, quality control, that car industry. To manage all of these things, we are building an application, ERP application. ERP application, enterprise resource planning. Okay, yeah, that we have started. Yes, we have started in last month only, 19 projects. 19 projects, ERP project for Volkswagen. ERP. Yes, free of cost. Java is free of cost. Yes, because of freeware here, yes, much maintenance is not necessary here. They can reduce the maintenance cost. That is advantage of Java freeware. Crores of rupees they can save. ERP solutions you can achieve in Java also. So with Java here, with Java, yes, web applications you can develop. Next, internet-based applications you can develop here. Next, ERP solutions also here. Next, apart from this, next, since 2010, since 2010, industry facing big data challenges, big data challenges, big data challenges, big data challenges. Okay, since 2010, industry facing big data challenges like storage, big data storage and processing here. Big data challenges, storage and processing. Yes, storage, big data storage and processing here. Yes, processing, storage and processing, storing data. To store data, databases, right? See, Oracle database is not, yes, yes, Oracle database is not fit for storing big data here. Only small database, GBs of data, maximum 1 terabyte of data it can manage. Suppose 10 terabytes of data cannot, 20 terabytes of data cannot here. Yes, petabytes of data cannot here. Big data. See, terabytes to zettabytes. Terabyte, zettabyte. That range called as big data. It's a big data. Big data. Yes, how to manage this data, terabytes to zettabytes of data. For this, how to be the solution? How to be the framework? How to be say? Yes, how to be say? Java framework. Okay, Java framework. How do we say? Hadoop and Spark? Spark is next level of Hadoop. Spark is a next generation of Hadoop. Hadoop is a Java framework. Yes, to store and process big data. Big data. Yes, even for big data also solution from the Java. Yes, next Spark is a next generation of Spark is next generation of Hadoop. Next level. Okay. Suppose if data getting beyond of Hadoop capacity, that case going for Spark. Okay. Yes, even big data challenge also from the Java. Java providing solutions for a lot of things. Big data challenges, next ERP solutions, next internet-based application like this, many solutions. Java has given solution to many kind of lot of solutions. Okay, a lot of solutions here. See, now current scenario. Currently 90% of, yes, 90% of internet internet based applications, and ERP apps developed in Java. Developed in Java. 90% of internet based and ERP applications developed in Java. Next, not only even big data apps also. Big data apps, yes, 100%. Yes, 100% of big data apps. Yes, no alternative for it. Only Hadoop has to use. In big data, only Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark is Java based. 100% of big data apps are developed in Java here. 100% of all big data applications. All big data apps developed in Java. All big data apps developed in Java. Yes. See, how many applications? Yes, worldwide, 90% of internet-based application, trading applications. Worldwide, many companies, right? Lakhs of companies are there. Lakhs of companies for their trading purpose using that internet-based application. Means application that is developed in Java. Yes, lakhs of companies. Next, websites. Websites is different. Company website is different, and their business is different. Business application is different. Website is different. Website is public, or business application is not public. Application is private. Website is public. Suppose SBI Bank, for example, SBI Bank. Yes, their website is public. Anyone can access website here. Anyone can see their services. Application means like depositing amount, withdrawing amount. That is internal application. Yes, that kind of internal applications and web applications, almost all is 90% were developed in Java. So here 100 yes, crores, sorry, lakhs of companies, yes, applications developed in Java. Websites, school websites, lakhs of schools, lakhs of colleges, lakhs of companies, lakhs of trading applications. Okay, so lakhs of apps developed in Java. Lakhs of apps developed in Java. That's the reason Java is a ocean. Lakhs of apps developed in Java. See, to support lakhs of apps. Yes, how many Java resources are required? Tell me. Yes, supporting is how many supporting is required to support lakhs of apps here? How many Java resources required? Yes, imagine. That is analysis simply here. Simply just analysis. To supporting to either support lakhs of apps. How many Java resources required here? Java resource required here. How many Java resources required here? Yes, millions of resources. Applications in lakhs. Okay. Yes, that's Java resources. Millions of Java resources required here. Resources. Millions of Java resources required. So that's the reason Java has become evergreen field. Why Java become evergreen field? That much of applications. So entire world is depending on Java. If no Java, no world nowadays. Okay. Yes, no Java, yes, no world activities here. Yes, that means entire world depending on Java. That's the reason Java has that much of demand. Yes, that's the reason Java has become evergreen field. Why Java evergreen field? Yes, why Java leading industry? Because of its features and its applications. Yes, 90% of almost all applications in market here developed in Java. So millions of resources required. Millions of Java resources required here. It's evergreen field. Yes, incoming, outgoing, millions of resources. Okay. Yes, compared to any other technology here, Java is a leader, no doubt. Compared to any other nowhere comparison with other technologies. There's a lot of gap between Java and other technologies. Lot of gap between Java and other technologies here. Yes, since last 10 months, lot of openings going on here. Lot of openings because of after COVID periods. In COVID periods, no recruitment happened. In COVID period, no recruitment happened here after COVID period here. Yes, industry started recruiting employees. In that here, yes, most of 90% of recruiting employees are Java employees. They are recruiting Java guys. Java got that much of demand because here everything has become online nowadays because of COVID situation here. Because of COVID scenario, everything has become online. So many online applications increased here. Okay, yes, here many online applications increased here. Number of online lakhs of applications increased. Not hundreds, one, not thousand here. Lakhs of applications were developed in Java. Yes, not existing one. Yes, because of COVID period, everything has become online. Yes, because of online here, yes, many applications. Recently, many applications were developed in Java because of COVID situation here. That's the reason it's a lot of demand for the Java. Yes, Python since last, yes, see, since last 1 year, Python saturated. Yes, no one recruiting Python. No one recruiting Python here. Now currently Java requirement in the markets. Lot of requirement because of COVID issue. Because of COVID issue here, many online trading applications are developing here. For that, they are using Java. So that's the reason Java got this much of demand nowadays. Okay. See, after COVID period, industry recruiting many employees. TCS, 40,000 employees. They are recruiting now. TCS, 40,000 employees. Wipro, Infosys, like this, worldwide many companies. They are recruiting many employees. Out of that, Java major requirements. Java major requirements. This is complete Java history since 1995 to today. What was happened in Java? It's my live experience. It's my experience completely here. Suppose other trainers, they have to collect the information from the different websites. For me, it's not necessary. It's my live experience since 1995. I'm in the software field. So for me, collecting information from different sites not required. Okay, I have the live experience with Java. Every version of Java I worked. Okay, my experience, my knowledge is more than the Google websites. In Google, you'll see so many websites, Java websites. But my experience, my knowledge, my way of coding is more than the Google. Even Google also, some cases, will not give the solution. From the Google also, you cannot get the solutions. That kind of solutions I can give you. Okay, yes, it's a fact. It's a fact. You'll see going forward. Yes, how that my programming, how much my Java knowledge. Okay, going forward, you'll see. You'll see definitely. Yes. Suppose if not feel something different, you can question me at the end of the course. At the end of the course, definitely you will feel that yes, this train is a very different and having much knowledge. So with this trainer, yes, I can get lot of skills. Okay, yes, I got the lot of skills. You'll feel like that definitely. I'll make you feel like that, 100%. Okay, yes. See, many students are happy with my subject, with my topics and all this. Okay, so this is complete Java history. Yes, since 1995 to today. Yes, currently 90% of applications Java is evergreen. Reason is that. So 1995 to today, what was happened in Java? Very clearly explained. So this is about Java introduction. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Yes, tomorrow also same link and same time. Same time. Same link, same time. Yeah, that's all, guys. So thank you, guys. Any doubts? Yes, any doubts? Yes, no doubts, right? Yeah. So thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.